Guys, there's another layer down here. Oh my gosh. Oh! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have yet another Lush haul. Oh my gosh. I checked my PO box the other day and this was here. No idea what's in here. I'm gonna open it up on camera with you guys and discover the amazing cruelty-free goodness that is Lush. Thank you so much, Lush. You guys spoil me so much, and honestly, every single time I'm in Perth or in a city, I'm like, Lush, because there isn't one where I live. And I know you can get stuff online, but it's nothing like actually going in store and like smelling it and, oh, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it friggin' smells amazing as always, but this is what I'm seeing. I'm gonna get everything out first and then see if there's a brochure that will let me know what the stuff is, because they have gone to their naked packaging, so I do know a lot of their stuff doesn't actually have the packaging. Hazel's with me as well, so fingers crossed she doesn't crack it. This is what I've got out already, and it is so friggin' beautiful and colourful, and oh my god, guys, there's another layer down here. Oh my god.
So freaking excited right now.
It is so colourful and so beautiful. I love colour. They do have a little bit of information about animal testing in the front, which I will read to you guys because, you know, that's something I'm very passionate about, being cruelty-free. So we want to show the world that it is possible to invent, manufacture and bring to the market an entire range of products to adhere to all the legal safety requirements without ever having to test on animals along the way. To make cruelty-free cosmetics, we buy ingredients from suppliers that do not commission tests on animals. We work collaboratively with forward-thinking scientists and animal rights groups to create alternative long-term solutions to animal testing for the global cosmetic industry. For over 20 years, we've campaigned for anti-animal testing legislations to apply to cosmetic campaigning, making it illegal to test, market or sell products and ingredients tested on animals, which I think, oh my god, wouldn't that be like the dream world? Then for me, like massive amounts of makeup companies would be open for me to be able to use, because at the moment I can't use MAC, can't use Benefit, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Bobbi Brown, to name a few. I'm not naming and shaming, I'm just saying. I would, yeah, that would be awesome. I'm going to work page by page from the catalogue. This is the first goodie I'm seeing. So that is this baby right here, which is April showers. This says, for your own little April showers, or rather baths, drop this fizzer into hot water and clear your cloudy skies with cedarwood and cypress oils. The softening fair trade cocoa butter raindrops melt away. Tonka Absolutes comes out to play with fresh violet leaf absolute. Drip, drip, drop. When your mood is cloudy, this pretty bath bomb will brighten the day. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Smells really, really nice. It's not like overpowering, but it's just kind of a little bit spicy and comforting in a way. So this retails for $6.95. The next goodie we can see is called the Which Came First, which is this. And this is what it looks like. It's like the most awkward way to show a product. So this says, well, if it's a balmy bomb is anything to go by, the age of question is answered. The egg came first, then came the splendid citrusy soaks, or did it? Why not take a dip in this cleansing Sicilian lemon and grapefruit oil waters and see if any new information comes to light. Have a crack at solving the mystery. Just make sure to chick everywhere. So inside there is actually something. Can you guys hear that? I'm going to definitely have to do a bath bomb video on this one. I have done one already. I have been slack because I haven't had much time to actually have baths recently with little hazelnut. But yeah, hopefully soon. It smells amazing. I love like the fresh citrusy kind of scents. Oh yeah, it smells really good. This retails for $10.50 as well. Next page. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they clip together. Oh my gosh, so these are free ranges. So I saw that I had these kind of things and I'm like, cool. Like, they look freaking cute. But I didn't actually realize they clip together. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So there's this one here. Then there is this one. So obviously you don't have to do similar colors. You can mix and match the colors. Oh man, they're so cute. I love their eyeballs. So I'm going to read what they say. It says top or bottom or a bit of both. Who gives a cluck? Whichever part you go for, bergamot oil and blackcurrant absolute ensure you're in for some fruity fun. Whether you're heading out on a chicken run or just want to get laid, this is cracking me up. Stock up on these fresh hand-laid cosmetics. There's nothing foul about cypress oil. It'll keep you in beak performance. There is so many puns in this, oh my gosh. To prolong the enjoyment, with fresh colors to choose from a wide range of colors, you have plenty of opportunities to put your feet up for some well-deserved roost and recuperation. Oh my gosh. So these are new. They're $11.95 per item, and I guess you can kind of just mix and match, and I love those color options that they've got there as well. That is so cool. All right, the next one is another new product. This is the cream egg, which I think I've got all 3 of them by the looks of it, and these are gorgeously bright and just absolutely stunning. So these are 2 of them, and they do have like a little creamy kind of center. And then here we have the last one. Oh my gosh, like these colors are freaking gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, that smell. All right, I need to read this. It says, if you're looking for a cracking good bath, a cream egg is the way to go. As you crumble this mint chocolate scented bubble room. Oh my god, that is the scent. It is mint chocolate. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Fair trade organic cocoa and fair trade shea butters melt, turning the water into an irresistible, softening, sweet lagoon. Spearmint tones the skin and refreshes your mood as you soak, making you feel excellent. For blush pink bath, get crumbling. Oh my gosh. Those retail for $9.50 per item, but it looks like there's just like the center is like pure shea butter. And they smell freaking beautiful, like deliciously good. The next thing I can see is the golden egg, which is this baby. So glittery. Oh my gosh. So this says, every good egg deserves, well, a golden egg, of course. Shimmeringly sensual, this Brazilian orange and honey scented jewel is the only sweet fix you should get your heart on. Indulge in a super softening, skin loving soak that's rich with luxurious moisturizing fair trade organic cocoa butter, uplifting bergamot and almond oils to get a glistening golden luster. Oh my gosh, that just got on my lip, but oh my god. Hazelnut, it's all right, beautiful girl. It smells delicious, like cocoa butter, like chocolate. Oh my god. Oh my god, so good. Just a little bit of glitter. All right, I'm gonna pick you up, sweetheart. Say hello to the rainbows. Sorry about the boob shot. Say hello to the rainbows. Oh, there she is. Hey. We will continue on. Honestly, that bath melt, so gorgeous. And that retails for $8.50, and it's just like super glittery and gorgeous. All right, the next one is 7 Deadly Spins, and this is a bubble spinner. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it is too. Okay, I need to maneuver this. Oh my god, it spins. Oh my gosh, and I can smell it as it's spinning. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Bring forth your virtue and resurrect your love for bathing with angelic relief from the temptations of modern life. Bergamot oil will lift you through the 7 rings of a hellish day to a place of peace. Golden bubbles comfort and indulge your sweeter side with benzoyl retinoid, if I'm saying that right. So hold under running water. Let's see. Kabiba oil, oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this, will wash away worries. So this retails for $11.50 per item, and oh my gosh, it smells gorgeous. It's got a really beautiful orangey kind of scent to it. It's just like citrusy, but kind of spicy at the same time. It's beautiful. The next one again is another new item, and this is the carrot soap, which is this one here, and touching it feels so soft and silky. Like it feels like this would be really hydrating and nourishing. This says if you're looking to refresh, pull out a carrot soap, lather up, and the soft bubbles of fresh carrot and carrot powder gently cleanse and brighten skin. All right, I will be back. I'm back, and I forgot what I was doing. Warm benzoin comforts as cedarwood and tangerine oils clear minds. You won't be able to see in the dark, but you'll get really clean. So this retails for $7.95 per 100 gram. It smells amazing. It has kind of like a woody scent to it. It's not overpowering. It doesn't really smell like carrots. But yeah, I don't know, it's just got a nice kind of earthy scent. It's really nice though. Next up, we have the Here Comes the Sun. So again, this is another new product. This is a naked shower cream product. So it says, little darling, why not banish the long, cold, lonely winter with bergamot oil and fresh orange juice to brighten your horizon. Fair trade shea butter makes this naked beauty super softening, while cup mushrooms keep skin refreshed and toned, with avocado oil to moisturize and tangerine and Sicilian mandarin oils to lift the mood. The ice will slowly melt, leaving clear skies and brighter days. Oh my God. This is like my favorite scent in the world. It kind of reminds me of Karma, which is the like an orangey kind of scent that Lush use a lot, but this just, oh, it's like the perfect combination of like citrus and spiciness. My mouth is like watering when I smell this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. As well, this item is vegan, as well as all of the previous items as well. I just realized there's a little vegan stamp there, so just letting you know. This retails for $14.95 per item, and just for the smell, oh my God, I like would actually take a bite out of that. It doesn't smell edible, I don't know, it just smells gorgeous. Next we have Wash Behind Your Ears. So this item is a vegan item. Oh my gosh, and it is adorable. So this says, no matter whether you're long or short, stand upright or locked, make sure you wash behind them with this shampoo bar. Detoxifying carrot and cleansing lemon oils leave you with hair that shines as bright as your eyes. Oh my gosh, this is a shampoo bar. I didn't even realize that. A shampoo bar. Wow. I'm so keen to try this out. Cider vinegar helps cleanse and balance your scalp, while lemon myrtle oil will have you hopping for joy. Lather up in your hands or directly onto your hair. It only takes a couple of strokes of this bright bunny to get a shiny, happy hair. So this retails for $14.95 per item. It actually has like a soft, fluffy nose or tail. That might be the tail. It is like soft and fluffy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It smells beautiful. Citrusy lemon kind of scent, but it's not overpowering or anything like that. It just, oh my gosh. And it feels really nice and kind of moisturizing. Yeah, boy. Can't wait to try that baby out. So now it is going through some of the gifts. So there is the big fish gift, which I think may be this one. Oh my gosh, I just got a whiff of that. Oh my God. Oh, this might be vying for first place scent. Oh my gosh. So this is Don't Be Coy, get in the bath and fill it with bubbles. Big fish, little fish, balance the scales. So many puns as you ponder the meaning of life. Carp ADM. There's so many puns in that. Oh my gosh. So there is like the wrap that it comes in, and then obviously I'm guessing this fish is inside. So this does retail for more because it does have the wrap. So it retails for $29.95 per item. But man, that smells gorgeous. And that wrap you could use as a headscarf or a neck scarf or whatever takes your fancy, basically. In the Big Fish one, it says contains the April Shower Bath Bomb, Possession d'Avril Bath Bar, Bubble Bar, Here Comes the Sun Small Naked Shower Cream. So there is actually more than one item, so I may be wrong. That may not even be what I was describing that as, but yeah. Next we have the carrot gift, which I'm guessing could be these babies. I might be wrong, but it could be. So again, this does come wrapped up, and this says, had a country fair handy. We're in no doubt that this prize carrot would take golden. Run carrot, run, run them under the tap and watch your bath fill with luxurious bubbles. Add a flash of gorgeousness with a sprinkle of golden glitter over fair trade organic cocoa butter. Too big for bunnies. This homegrown gift is right for an Easter treat. So this is $29.95 per item. They smell really good. Oh my gosh. This one, I'm not sure if this is the carrot one, because here it says it contains the Golden Egg Bath Bomb Melt, Pink Carrots Reusable Bubble Bar, which may be these ones, Orange Free Ranges Bath Bomb. So yeah. Oh my gosh, but I'm in love. They smell gorgeous. All of these products are just so bright and colorful and smell amazing. And wow, so thank you so much to Lush for sending me these goodies. Thank you, Rainbows, for watching. I hope you liked the video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to become part of my notification squad. I love you, Rainbows, so much, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.